Zig Zug. Is you seen Top Dog? What going on in the corner there, dog? Oh, Top Dog, is you seen, dog? And I'll pull up in the white tee there, dog. I have real cash, dog. I telling you, I the bread, dog. But them not ready for these, I know what credit card I know pull out that, dog. You know how much money in this? 56,000. All I not ready, boy. Zig Zug and tongue, dog. Zig Zug, you come back, I give you the money thing, dog. It's like every time I see you, dog, it's some type of money thing. If it's not credit card, it's cash in hand, it's this, it's tea, that. But oh God, but dog, but I mean money is the subject, dog. You have to elevate with money, dog. But dog, is like every time I see you flexing on man trying to shine me up, by anyhow, dog, alright, dog. Dog, I still have all them and hits in my dog, but anyhow, dog, I go and buy some fresh from some tea, that, dog. But the scamming thing, dog, don't be under at me, dog. I not scamming, dog. You see, I have my own credit card and thing, and look at it, dog. It's Zig Zug and tongue, dog. Zig Zug. Half a straight, dog. Zuggy rich lifestyle, dog. That's why I live in, dog. I live in the Zuggy rich life, dog. It's Zig Zug, dog. Zig Zug and tongue, dog. Well, they're not ready, boy. How much time I will say that, boy? Yeah, dog, but Zig Zug, to me, you supposed to be flying out of the country very soon, dog. So long you taking, dog, you say flight was 7 o'clock. Now you changing the time and you changing the day and the date. Dog, how much clothes you have to pack, dog? You are the old mauler. Eh? You're not rich, boy. You're not rich like that, boy. You go on, boy. Stop stressing it, dog. You're supposed to go to England or either America. You're still in Trinidad. Huh? Stop flexing, dog. Move in silence, boy. Zig Zug, boy. Oh, God, boy. I go on, boy. Dog, I don't book my flight, dog. We're hating for, dog. I tell you, I leave in the 9th, not the 7th. The 9th, dog. That few days, dog, I still have time to go in the mall and buy 2-3 polo kit, Louis kit, Gucci kit. You know what I mean, dog? Plus I had to carry my girl shopping, dog. I could buy how much ticket I want for the USA or England, dog. What you hating for, dog? It's Zig Zug, dog. Let them know I have money on my credit card like rain, dog, like sun, dog. I go on my dog, by a hater like you, by Zig Zug.